Hello guys, in this video I would like to explain that how we can write data in a CSV file in Python. Sometimes you need to write the data for different purposes. Maybe you want to endure to some other one, or you want to carry with you in the USB, or you want to send it an email, etc. For that purpose you need to save the data in the CSV file or other format of the file. In today's video, we will talk about CSV file. That if we have data, we read from some other sources or we generate the data, then how we can store this data, write this data in a CSV file. So let's move to the Python. I already opened this spider, so you can see you need these three libraries. NumPy, CSV, and pandas. Just import these three, and then I just generated these 5 data set. You can generate 3, you can generate 4, 5, maybe hundreds, depend on your objective of your study, or maybe whatever data you are reading from the other files or other from the online data sources, that depend. So this is the very basic tutorial about how to write a CSV file in Python. So let's generate these data sets 1 x1, and I explained this in my previous video, generating random number. So the link to the playlist is available in the description of this video, so you can see how we started with the Python, how we installed Spider, how we installed Anaconda, and how we start from the very basic. Generate x2, x3, x4, x5, and then if you want to see, you can see print x1, x2, x3, or whatever. It's just you want to check how the data look like. And I explain all these parameters in my previous videos, where the first one show the mean value, which is stored in this data, the mean value. Then one is the standard deviation and 100 mean number of observation. This means that this x1 variable has 100. Each of these variable has 100 observation with different mean values, which are here, and with different standard deviation, which are here. Now I want to, when we are using RStudio, we are using cbend, a command which combine different data set in a single data set. So I can use this command np.column underscore stack. So this will combining data into an object A. This will combine the data and store this data in A. Just run this. This is working. There is no error. And by the way, you can see what is A. Okay, and you can see print a.head. No. Okay. There can be some problem. Okay. Oh, there is some problem. So let's do not do this now, but you can see what is mean by A. This is the data which have 5 columns now, 5 variables, which is separate here, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, and you combine these variables in a single object A. Now, for this command, my data to CSV, you need a data frame. So for that purpose, I'm using this command. I'm just naming this my data is equal to data frame, pd dot data frame, and then A. So this means convert this data, the data which is stored in A, to a data frame, and store this data frame with the name my data. Just click. So now data is stored, and my data is now your data frame which stored the data. And now the final step is to convert this to a CSV file with the name output.csv. So this is the command my data full stop to underscore CSV. So this the command is used, and the file name is output.csv, and index files mean index files. This is the interpretation. Index is equal to files prevent pandas from writing row indices to the CSV file. So this is the interpretation as well. And just check the directory in which directory you are working, because then we need to see where the file will be. So this is this in this directory, and so let's run this command. Okay, so now there is no error, so the file is stored. Just need to see whether the file is stored or not. So this is the path, new folder here. This is the output. You can delete this and try again. So to confirm whether it's, because we did not check it already. So just click in this, you can see this is empty, there is no file. And now run the command, this one. So you will have this file. Yes, this is the file output.csv, and by the way, this is comma separated values. So CSV is there. Just click it. Yes, you have the 5 variables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you store data like this in the file, and this must have 100 values. 101 because on the top there are labels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 100 values for each variable and 5 variable. So this is very simple how to store the data in a CSV file. While working in Python, you can use this for different purposes. And while working with the Python and data, you need NumPy, this code, and pandas, and CSV maybe because you're using. So this is all about today's video. What we have learned today, we have learned that how we can store data into a CSV file while working with a Python. So you just need these steps, 3 steps. This is data generation. So you already have data. So you can just use these steps and store the data, and then you can check in the directory where you are working and you'll see that file. So that's all about today's video, and see you in the next video. Ciao.